I'd like to welcome you to the Design and Making Wood course this September, beginning of autumn. It's a 12-week course, or 12-session course, 36 hours taken up over a Wednesday evening. And I think the fact that you've never done woodwork before is actually a tremendous advantage, because I can teach you from scratch the methods, and methods are really important to successful woodwork. And really, in a nutshell, this course is an enabling course. We focus more on processes rather than the end product, and it enables you to more quickly acquire the skills and confidence to create projects of your own choice.
I never realised how much I could learn in such a short time, and also the importance of using the right methods.
I don't mind if you take up plumbing or deep sea diving or insurance broking, but if you just remember to shave waste.
I've done it. I've done it a bit
wrong
there.
there. Yeah. What's happening here?
Well, I got the wrong length, so the right length's that one, not that one.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Right, where you make a mistake.